Okay guys, I think this will be a quick one. I just wanted to get my first reaction to trying these. Got these from an ethnic grocery store. These are Calamansi or Calamondin. Calamondin? Probably butchering the pronunciation. Anyway, these are also called Filipino Lemon or Filipino Lime. They're very uh-oh. One of them's not good. Very ubiquitous in Filipino cuisine, from what I've read. They are native to the Philippines, sorry, and other parts of Southwest Asia. As I understand it, they are a hybrid between kumquats and some other type of mandarin. I guess we're not really sure at this point. They smell amazing. They smell very much like kumquats. I'm wondering if I'm just gonna try them straight up, and then I might not have enough time to research some dishes for these since one of them's already going off. But I'll get to do what I do with kumquats and just pop them in my mouth. Ooh. Okay, this is a reaction I was hoping. Definitely that immediate pop of sour that you get from a kumquat. That's good. I wish I had some kumquats here to try them alongside each other. So I've got, there's a bunch in various states of ripeness. We've got some green ones, we've got some partially green ones, we've got some ripe ones, we've got some super ripe ones. I don't know what it's going to be like, but I'm going to try a green one. Oh, okay. Each one has like 2 seeds. Sometimes you can't help but swallow them, but other times they kind of get in the way and you definitely easy to spit them out. So the green ones, that flavor punch is immediately present, but it doesn't have the same angle or quality and maybe definition that the ripe one has. And I wasn't sure if these were gonna continue to ripen in the bag, but so I got the bag that had the most ripe ones. They are really good. I have heard that they were this good, so it was one that I was kind of considering getting a tree for. I have a kumquat in the backyard, and I was going to get one of these as well. And now I'm kind of thinking about that again. I can see why they would be used in a lot of food. So it is pretty sour. I guess that's the biggest thing. Biggest takeaway from this was the sourness. The flavor is in there, that kind of mandarin angle, but at least in these ones, the sourness angle seems to be the stronger force, so to speak. The kumquat portion of the genetics seems to be coming out more in these ones that I have. Here's a really big one. Okay. What I was hoping for is to tease out some of the mandarin flavor angles, and it's a little tricky. But at the end of the day, it's kind of its own thing. I don't have to isolate those mandarin flavor notes. It seems like it's in there, but it's hard for it to come through the sour. But that's okay, because this is a citrus hybrid. It doesn't taste like a kumquat, but at the same time, I keep thinking kumquat, so. I don't know. I keep eating them, so obviously they're good. Let me try another green one. Whoa. Oh man. That one heard me talking bad about the green ones. Some of the sour just like flew to the back of my throat. Oh man, that got me. Green ones were like, okay, you're gonna talk crap. We'll see what you think about this. Anyway, I better stop while I'm ahead. So these are really good. I'm gonna have to look up some recipes and try them. Like try some Filipino foods using these. Really took me out. I'm sorry. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next one.